This project is vision-based access for financial transactions. And this project is developed based on an idea to provide security for financial transactions, mainly focuses to integrate an ATM. Before going to implement the project, let's have some overview about the tools and technologies used in this project development. You should have a basic level idea about technologies like HTML, CSEs for front-end development, and JavaScript for effectiveness and interactiveness, and back-end technologies like Python and Flask, which is Python web framework, and application like XMPP to have an easy control over database connection and servers. And you supposed to know libraries like DLlib face recognition, OpenCV to capture images and process images. Now let's see the implementation. First install XAMPP application from Google and setup, and then create a folder in the XAMPP directory in the htdocs folder. Name the folder as you want. In the next step, open command prompt and create a virtual environment. Here I have already created it. When you create virtual environment using command prompt, it will directly placed as folder in your project folder. Here my project folder is sample and virtual environment folder is my env. Now install or download required libraries from the command prompt by activating virtual environment. I have already done. You will get good videos in YouTube to follow them to create virtual environment and install required libraries like OpenCV, face recognition, .ddib. Now follow Flask directory to ensure proper execution. Place all HTML files and templates, folder, and place CSS and JavaScript files in static folder, place Python code to directly in the main project folder, which is sample in my case, and the Python file name should be app.py. This the rule of Flask. Now let's start execution. Open XAMPP panel and start the MySQL and Apache server, and then create database using XAMPP localhost to do that. Open localhost PHP on my admin page. In Google, create a new database and create table to store data. Here I have already created it, so follow YouTube to do it, and then open command prompt to execute code. First, active your virtual environment, which is created in project main folder, where all required libraries are installed. Once virtual environment is activated, you will see virtual environment name as subscript in command line. You can also check the installed libraries in virtual environment by using command pip freeze. Now run code by using command as python app.py. Once code runs successfully, you will get a link where our project is executing. Copy the link and open it in browser. You will land into project main page or home page. Here we can have two options to register and log into the system. Let's first register. When we click on register, we have to details like first name, last name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, account type, account number, and PIN number. You should create your own credentials and then capture your image. If it is not good, you can have option to recapture it and click submit button to create own account, and you will get dialogues whether successful registration or form validation messages. Once you registered successfully, you can cross-check it by verifying your image is saved into your project directory or not. Now let us log in. When we try to log, we supposed to give account number, PIN, and re-verify your face to access the system operations. Once login is successful, then we can land into system where we can do financial operations like balance checking, withdraw, PIN change, deposit, and also change your captured image if needed. Well, this is all about project implementation. It is very useful to integrate in ATMs because someone can withdraw our money from ATM if they know our account number and PIN, but now no one can take our money without our permission and without our face.